this is Hiral from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I am back with InLoveArtShop haul, and I have picked up some amazing stuff today, and this time, and let me show you what I got. So let me start with the first one. I picked up this beautiful speech bubble that says cute and beautiful, and it's quite big in size because I am making a baby girl album, and I thought these would be perfectly fit in that scrapbook album. So the size of this speech bubble is 1 3/4 by 3 1/8. So it's quite a big size actually, and even the letters and the alphabets are bigger too. So you can perfectly see beautiful and cute. So this is my first one, and the second one is this layered flowers. It has 1 2 3 4 flowers in it, and I feel it would be awesome for baby girl. Like flowers are must for a girl album, girl theme album. So that's that, and you can also put a brad into it because it has a hole, and that die cuts this hole, so that would be perfect for this one, I guess. So the biggest flower size is 2 1/4, and the smallest one is 3/4. So that's enough for a 4-layered flower, and the shape is also so good of these petals. I'm in love with this one. And I have picked up another flower as well. This is much bigger in size than I thought. But when you're creating any happy mails, or if you're creating any snail mails, then you can put these flowers on a back topper, or you can actually put these flowers and send it to someone. And these are the leaves. So these is the outer border, and these are the patterns inside the leaves, and here is also like an outer borders and the patterns. And the biggest flower is almost 3 3/4, so it's quite big, and the smaller one is 3 inches. But I'm so in love with this one. So that is that, like 2 flowers. The next one is this baby themed, I don't know the name, kind of, it's like a toy trains and the horse, rocking horse, and the cake, I guess, and it says baby in here, and here you can actually type in a name or maybe a sentiment or something, or you can actually cut out this baby and you can use this separately and this separate. So I love this one too. And then this is also a big size. It's kind of almost 4 inches by 4 inches. So you can use all these 3 elements separately or together and create beautiful album and beautiful embellishments with these ones. And I have never experienced any such thing that the die does not cut paper through. So InLoveArtShop has amazing dies that actually cuts just in a one go. When you're die cutting something, it just cuts in one go. So that is so beautiful. And the last one is this heartstring frame. So the bigger size frame is 4 3/4 by 6 1/4, and the smaller is 4 by 3. So it's good size to create shakers or to create any tags or frames, picture frames, like so much of stuff you can create with this dies. Like I always loved dies because it gives extra touch to your projects, and like you can create many creative ideas with these ones. So yeah, that's my haul from InLoveArtShop. It's a quick haul, and I am so in love with what I had. I'll create something quick and share with you guys. And until then, see you in my next video. Bye for now.